Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only the color variants. If you have any other variant, then still you can separate the products on the basis of that variants. So here on my screen you can see that we have 4 products, but each product has multiple color variants which I am interested to display on collection pages. So for example, I am clicking on this product and you will see that we have multiple colors of this specific product. Here you can see on the main product page, but all these colors are not displaying on my collection page, so I am interested to display them, all of them, on this collection page. In all the other collections also you will see that products will be separated by color variants, or maybe the variant which you have chosen. If you want any specific collection, for example you have any collection and you want only in that collection the products should be separated on the basis of color variants, so that is also possible. We only need to write a condition for that collection and that will make it work. So let me show you step by step that how you can do it yourself into your store. So you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed publisher theme. If you have any other theme, then you should have to follow my playlist of the videos. I have already given the link below in the description, so you will find out all the other themes videos. If you still don't find, then you can message me. I will create a new video, or maybe I will help you in implementing this feature into your store. So this theme has the version 15.2.0. if you have any of the version for this theme, so this code will support in that. All right, then you should to start it, you should click on these 3 dots and duplicate this theme, because if you are making any mistake or you are deleting something or you have any problem, so you can actually restore back to its original version. Once you are done duplicating it, then you should again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code, and here inside of this edit code you will see that we have some folders and files, but we need to follow a documentation. I have already written a documentation. You should have the link below in the description. So you should download the code and you will be finding these 3 files, and inside of these files we have document.txt. so inside of this document.txt I have already given all the steps very clearly. Now the first step is create a new snippet, color dash variant. So you should copy the name from here and then click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, and then click on done. So that's how you are creating a new empty snippet file. Now go back to the second step. You need to create another new snippet, and name should be color dash card dash product. So you should copy it and then you should go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here and then click on done. Once you are done with this, you can see that we have 2 files, empty files, which we have created just now. Now I already have attached the code, so you should open color-variant.txt and you should copy this complete code and then paste it inside of this color-variant.liquid and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and again go back to the files. You will see another file, color-card-product.txt. so you should copy the code from inside of this file and then paste inside of color-card-product.liquid and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, you can close this file also, and now you should go back to the documentation again, and we have completed 2 steps. Now the third step is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid. so let me copy this, and then after you should search inside of this search box, and under the sections we have main-collection-product-grid.liquid. so you can open this file, and inside of this file you need to search card-product. so let me copy this. Using Ctrl F or maybe Command F, you should search it and it will be highlighted right here, and then after you should replace it with color-variant. so let me show you. So here we go. Now you should replace it with color-variant, and we have now the last step, which is the 4th step. Remove li tag around the card product render component. So that means this is the render component, and around it we have this li tag which we need to remove it, and we also need to remove this li tag closing. So once you are done making these changes, then you can save all these changes. Once you have saved, then you should close this file, and now it's time to test this feature. So let me refresh this page, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displayed on this collection page. So this is really quick and easy. You can see that a customer can see all the colors of a specific product. So that's how the possibility of purchase is increased. This actually boosts your sales drastically because you are providing the possibilities of choosing a specific color by the customer. So customer will easily buy a product here. And if you will see on any of the other collection also, so you will see that there also we have all the products separated by color variant. So this is looking more beautiful than before. Alright, so that's how you can implement this feature. If you are facing any issue or something, you can directly ask me the questions and below in the comment section. So if you are stuck somewhere, so you can message me. I will help you to solve the issues. One more thing is that, for example, you want a new store to create, or maybe you want any customization into that, and maybe sometime you need any new section to create or any new design. So you can directly message me by WhatsApp. I will help you to create all those things. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and you can join a WhatsApp group which I have recently created. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.